Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Like Us on Facebook pop-up for free. For this I will use Popupsmart, so go to popupsmart.com and click the button Get Started. There's a forever free plan, so you can just try it out before you actually purchase it. Creating an account is easy. Just enter your first name, last name, and email, and then enter your password and your domain. If you have a Shopify store, you can just register with it as well. So once you create your account, you're welcomed by the Playbook. This is where you can see all the ready-to-use pop-up templates. These are our goals. We have some industries, some seasonal pop-up types, and we have different pop-up types here as well. Because I want to create a Like Us on Facebook pop-up, I just want to click this Facilitate Social Sharing. So you can see all these pop-ups right here. Let's check out this one. Okay, I think I can work with it, so let's continue with Select Pop-up. Okay, you can actually see how the pop-up looks on your website. If you want, you can just turn off the preview. I like this image right here because I wanted to emphasize the like, and then I will just change the text right here. You can see the text on the left-hand panel, so let's turn it into Like Us on Facebook. Okay, then I will just change this one as well. Okay, now let's see the buttons. We have two buttons as you can see. So the first one says visit channel, and it has an action as go to URL address. I want this button to work as this, like I want it to direct the users to my Facebook page. So I will just change the button text. So I can also choose a target, and I want it to be open on the current page. And then I will change the URL. Then we have the other button. It has maybe later text, and when someone clicks on it, it just closes the pop-up. Okay, I'm happy with the customize step. If I want, I can go to style. There's a theme engine here where you can change the look of the pop-up completely. You can just try each and see if you like them better than the original. So I will just click apply theme. Here I can arrange the size of my pop-up, the position, I want it in the corner. Then we have the pop-up body style. I want to add a website overlay to make my pop-up more eye-catching. We have the opening animations too. Let's see this one. Okay. You can just choose another font for the text and again change the colors of the buttons. You can even change the close button style. Okay, I'm happy with this style as well. That's why I will just save it and continue with segment. This is where you can target your audience. I want this pop-up to be seen on desktop and mobile. I want new and returning visitors to see it. I can also add other audience targeting options, like I can schedule a time. I can choose a browser language. I can choose a traffic source if I want to. Then we have user behavior targetings, like I want this pop-up to be seen when someone scrolls, let's say, 20% of the website. Or if they're trying to leave my website, I want them to see this pop-up as well. So because I have a user behavior targeting, whatever is triggered first, it's going to just display my pop-up. And here we have the frequency settings, like it says stop showing the pop-up after someone submits an email or clicks a button and after one visit, but I just want never stop displaying the pop-up. Okay, let's save it and continue with publish. On the publish tab, I can see the summary of my targetings. I have just set them as you can see, and we have the Google Analytics integration if you want to integrate it, and I will just click publish. Okay, it tells me that I need to verify my website. When I was creating my account, I entered my URL, but I haven't verified my website yet. For this, I will follow the steps under custom website. If you have a Shopify store, you can just use our Shopify app. You can just do it using Google Tag Manager, or if you have a WordPress website, you can use our plugin. So I'll just copy this embed code, and it tells me to paste it just before the closing of the body tag of my website template file. So it's basically how this works. So I'm going to my Netlify admin panel from site configuration, continuous build and deploy, and then we have snippet injection. So I will just paste it. Okay, don't forget to save it and go back to Popupsmart. And this time I will just click verify website. It's visiting my website to activate the code. As you can see, installation is verified. It's coming back to Popupsmart and just publishing my campaign. Okay, it's successfully published. Let's see it on live preview. As you remember from the targeting, I just set 20% scroll targeting option. So when I scroll 20% of the website, my pop-up is triggered and I can see it. Let's click on Like Us Now. And it just directs us to the Facebook page of Popupsmart. So that's how easy and quick creating a Like Us on Facebook page with Popupsmart. It's free. As I said, there's a forever free plan and you can just try it out before purchasing. Go ahead and let us know what you think.